Okay, you're just gonna have to bear with me. I'm in the shade. When I use my Sawzall, I try to keep it out of the dirt the best I can. So the last thing you want to do is get dirt in your motor and stuff. And I dug this around. I dug the dirt underneath it because I don't like to put my blade right in the dirt if I can help it, you know. And I'm not sure if this was the dull blade or not, but I'm going to try it. Yeah, I think this is the dull blade. So I'll put the other one in it, try it, see what happens. Okay. All right. I got that. And I'll just keep you rolling. I'm gonna get this other piece, and I dug it out because I wanted to make sure there weren't any other roots underneath there growing out from underneath it, let's say. Look at that, will you? Monstrosity. There you go. One big old root. Now I'll cut this up in thirds before I put my Sawzall away, because then I'll throw that in the trash. Okay. Now, now I can backfill all that, and I'm glad I took the other piece out. I'm glad I used my hammer and not a big old pick, because I would have poked a hole in that sprinkler pipe that was down underneath there. Okay. Now the rest of that root is just going down, 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 and I don't think that's ever going to grow anymore. I think it's going to die because it's now not part of this tree. You see where that one was. See where this piece has raised way up, because that root just comes right there. That was the main root. As I dug up most of this other stuff with the hammer, I came across a couple little ones now and again, and you know, now I can backfill this dirt and kind of get that over and kind of level that off, and then I can see where I ended up here. I ended up fairly close to the rose bush there, and about right there before I started piling up all this dirt over here. See, it's just one thing at a time. You just have to do bits and pieces along the way. You know what I mean? And I'll just keep going at it. It's about 4 o'clock now. I've been out here since probably, oh, I don't know, 12:30, 1 o'clock, something like that. So just cutting that root out is kind of giving me a break from digging. Now I can shovel some. That's going to give me more of a break and stuff. And then I'll probably at that point I'm gonna cut off for the day, is my guess. Okay, but yeah, I want to chop that up 2 more times so I can fit it in my little dumpster. Okay, I'll talk to you later.